Looking to start coding in C++? In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to download and install Dev C++ completely free on your Windows PC. Let's dive in. First, open any web browser on your computer such as Chrome, Firefox, Edge, whatever you prefer. In the search bar, type Dev C++ download and hit enter. You'll see the official Dev C++ page from sourceforge.net appear in the search results, usually as one of the top results. Click on it to access the download page. Once you're on the official page, you'll immediately see a prominent green download button. This is the latest stable version of Dev C++. Click the download button and the installer file will start downloading automatically. The file is relatively small, usually around 50 megabytes, so it should only take a minute or two depending on your internet speed. Once the download completes, navigate to your downloads folder or click on the downloaded file directly from your browser. The file will be named something like devcpp setup or something like that. Double-click it to launch the installation wizard. Here's what you need to do. First, select your preferred language and click OK. Next, you'll see the license agreement. Read through it if you'd like, then click I agree to continue. Then, choose your installation components. For most users, the default full installation is recommended as it includes all necessary compilers and tools. After that, select the destination folder. The default location works perfectly fine, but if you want to install it elsewhere, click Browse and choose your preferred directory. So, click Install and wait while Dev C++ installs on your system. This usually takes less than a minute. Once installation completes, check the box that says Run Dev C++ and click Finish. When Dev C++ opens for the first time, you'll see a configuration wizard. Here you can choose your interface language. Select a theme, light or dark mode. Configure font settings. For beginners, the default settings work great, so you can simply click through and start coding immediately. To verify everything is working correctly, let's create a quick test program. Click File, New, then Source File. A blank editor will appear, so let's type a simple Hello World program. Once you've typed the code, click Execute at the top, then select Compile from the drop-down. Wait for it to compile successfully. After that, click Execute again and this time select Run. If you see a Hello World appear in the console window, congratulations, your Dev C++ is working perfectly. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.